Someone was like, "Ay, mira esta." She thinks she's a chef now. And no, I am not a chef. I just like to do things nice for my kids. And sometimes things does not work out, as you see. I was trying to be all fancy and stuff. But hey, listen, what matters is that it tastes really good. So, yeah. Let me show you how I did this dinner in less than 30 minutes. Okay, I go ahead and I start by seasoning my shrooms with a sweet and spicy seasoning that it has garlic, soy sauce, red peppers, and ginger. And then I got seasoning from my favorite restaurant in Destin, Florida, Stubby's. I love their seafood. So if you're in Florida Panhandle, you should go there. And then I grab a spoon of garlic, just paste. I did that by myself. Like I peeled the garlic and I did the paste, and I keep it in refrigerated and it helps a lot. Basil leaves and parsley flakes, and I season it. I do this early in the morning and then I leave it seasoning there until the evening when it's ready to cook. Then when it's the evening and I come home from work and picking up the kids from school, I'm ready to cook. I put my pan, my oil, and then I go ahead and pump my shrimps. I got some peppers from my garden, okay? I'm not trying to be Martha Stewart, okay? But listen, she did give me good tips. And the onions, yeah, I got that at the store because I do not know how to grow onions. So yeah, I'm still learning. Sazon and adobo is optional. You don't have to get that. I don't use that all the time. I use that here and there, but like I said, it's optional. A lot of Latinos, Caribbean, people from South Central America, they like to do these type of seasoning. I don't advise it to use them all the time, but it does hit the spot. So it is good. And voila, here it is. It's fancy. It's like my kids went to a restaurant. This is the things that I do for my kids. But yeah, I hope I can be very helpful. Dinner can be very simple and fast. And you know what helps? When I season the meat. Like early in the morning, I season the meat, or I do it the night before, and the meat gets a flavor. So that's a good tip. Do it early, early, early in the morning. Bye, guys. Until my next video.